And even as Trump administration's immigration crackdown continues with tighter rules, a new analysis by U.S.-based Cato Institute paints a starkly different fiscal picture. And this report finds immigrants have added trillions to U.S. government finances for 30 years and may have helped avert a debt crisis. Here's a report. Take a look.
President Trump has made clear that immigrants must be financially self-sufficient and not be a financial burden to Americans. This is the first line on the United States immigration website, which notifies, and I quote, immigrant visa processing updates for nationalities at high risk of U.S. public benefits reliance, end quote. The administration says it is reviewing policies to ensure immigrants from high-risk countries do not unlawfully utilize welfare in the United States. This is the latest, but ever since January 2025, when after Donald Trump took office for his second term, immigrants in the U.S. have remained on edge. While the U.S. president's crackdown on immigrants continues, a new report suggests that immigrants, both legal and illegal, have done more good than bad for government budgets over 30 years. In fact, good would be an understatement. An analysis of government data by US-based Policy Institute, Cato Institute, shows for each year from 1994 to 2023, the US immigrant population generated more in taxes than they received in benefits from all levels of government. As per the report, over this 30-year period, immigrants created a cumulative fiscal surplus of $14.5 trillion in real 2024 US dollars, including $3.9 trillion in savings on interest on the debt. In fact, without immigrants, US government public debt at all levels would be at least 205% of gross domestic product, nearly twice its 2023 level. These results, which do not account for any of immigration's indirect tax revenue boosting effects on economic growth, represents the lower bound of the positive fiscal effects. Hence, the report says that even by this conservative analysis, immigrants may have already prevented a fiscal crisis. This report is an update of a 2017 report by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering and Medicine on the fiscal effects of immigration. Just to give you some numbers, here is what the NASEM Cato model shows. Immigrants paid more in taxes than benefits every year from 1994 to 2023. They generated $10.6 trillion more in taxes than total government spending. They saved $14.5 trillion in national debt via lower borrowing and interest costs. And this actually cut the US budget deficit by nearly one-third over 30 years. The Cato Institute suggests that without immigrants, US policy debt would exceed 200% of GDP, and that analysts say could trigger a US debt crisis. Let's put in perspective what led to this gap and why immigrants accounted for more US income and generated more revenue. The report highlights some key reasons. It says immigrants are much more likely to be employed even if on lower hourly wages, more likely to be in poverty but not more likely to be receiving welfare. They also consume fewer government services. They cost less per capita than the average US population. They use old age benefits less frequently and they are less likely to be in school, imposing fewer education costs. So the bottom line is that the report basis the NASEM Cato model has found that immigrants generate higher than average tax revenues overall and trigger lower than average government expenditures for the United States. Business Bureau, WION World is One.